Welcome to Planet Crypto Today, your channel for news related to the world of cryptocurrencies. April 5th, birthday of Satoshi Nakamoto. Tether denies being exposed to signature bank. Ethereum surpasses $1,900 barrier ahead of upcoming upgrade. Crypto industry figure Bob Lee murdered. MicroStrategy continues to buy Bitcoin. MetaMask update adds support for NFTs.
If you like the video, subscribe to our channel and don't miss a single video. Don't forget to give it a like and share it.
April 5th, birthday of Satoshi Nakamoto. The age of the creator of Bitcoin, Satoshi Nakamoto, increased by 1 year on their foundation profile, suggesting that their birthday was on April 5, 1975. The identity of the creator remains unknown, and it is speculated that it represents a group of people rather than an individual. It has been suggested that the date may be related to the day in 1933 when U.S. President Franklin Delano Roosevelt took the country off the gold standard. He issued an executive order requiring all U.S. citizens to return gold coins and certificates over $100 to the Federal Reserve Bank. The true identity of Satoshi has been subject to speculation by many users on social media and online forums. Proposed names include computer scientist and BitGold creator Nick Szabo, early Bitcoin contributor Hal Finney, cryptographer Adam Back, and Japanese-American engineer and physicist Dorian Nakamoto. The crypto community continues to honor Satoshi in different ways, such as the bronze statue of the Bitcoin creator in Budapest. Tether denies being exposed to Signature Bank. Tether denies any relationship with Signature Bank, which recently went bankrupt after a Bloomberg article suggested otherwise. The stablecoin company claims it has no exposure to Signature Bank, Silicon Valley Bank, or Silvergate. Despite Tether's chief technology officer, Paolo Ardoino, claiming on Twitter that the company had no relationship with Signature Bank, the allegations continued. The initial claims in the Bloomberg article suggested that Tether was gaining access to the U.S. banking system through Signature Bank, encouraging users to send U.S. dollars through Signature's Signet to its partner Bahamas Capital Union Bank. Tether has continued to deny all allegations of misconduct in recent weeks, including allegations from the Wall Street Journal that the company forged documents to open bank accounts. At a recent blockchain event in Paris, Ardoino claimed that Tether has around $1.7 billion in excess reserves and that USDT is one of the safest assets to hold in the world, following the banking crisis. Ethereum surpasses $1,900 barrier ahead of upcoming upgrade. Ethereum surpassed the $1,900 per unit barrier thanks to the anticipation generated by the upcoming Ethereum network update, called Shanghai, expected to take place on April 12th. The new update will allow validators to extract ETH they deposited as collateral to access block processing and rewards. The most significant increase in Ethereum's price occurred overnight on April 5th, reaching a high of $1,937. However, daily trading volume slightly decreased compared to the previous day, settling at around $10.387 billion across major exchanges in the last 24 hours. Shanghai will also serve as a basis for future improvements, such as the Protodanks Harding system expected in the third quarter of this year, which will increase the network's scalability. Crypto industry figure Bob Lee murdered. Bob Lee, the creator of Cash App and director of products at MobileCoin, was fatally stabbed in San Francisco. Lee joined MobileCoin in February 2021 and played a key role in the launch of the Mobi digital wallet. The attack occurred in the Rincon Hill neighborhood around 2:30 a.m. Lee was a financial technology expert and was the first chief technology officer at Square, and also led the core development team for Android at Google. He assisted the World Health Organization during the pandemic with their mobile app and led the development of a home testing company. Jack Dorsey and other leaders in the crypto industry have mourned Lee's death and highlighted his contribution to financial technology. Police have yet to make any arrests, and the motive behind the murder is unclear. MicroStrategy continues to buy Bitcoin. MicroStrategy has added 1,045 Bitcoin worth $29.3 million to its cryptocurrency treasury. raising its total holdings to 140,000 Bitcoin valued at over $12.6 billion. The acquisition was announced by MicroStrategy CEO Michael Saylor in a tweet on April 5. Saylor has been an outspoken advocate for Bitcoin and has led the charge for companies to adopt the cryptocurrency as a strategic asset. The company's Bitcoin strategy appears to be a dollar cost averaging but with large amounts of money. The latest purchase is a testimony to MicroStrategy's confidence in the long-term potential of the cryptocurrency. Since its first purchase in August 2020, the company has been consistently adding to its holdings. MetaMask update adds support for NFTs. MetaMask has added support for non-fungible tokens NFTs to its browser extension, allowing NFT holders to store and manage their digital collectibles more easily and securely. Version 10.28 of the extension includes a new NFT tab that enables users to view and manage their NFTs in one place. With this update, users can send ERC-721 tokens, and capabilities to send ERC-1155 tokens will soon be added. MetaMask is a popular non-custodial software wallet that enables users to interact with decentralized applications based on Ethereum. The new feature will simplify the transfer of digital collectibles and reduce the risks associated with interacting with smart contracts or third-party platforms.
If you liked the video, subscribe to our channel and don't miss a single video. Don't forget to give it a like and share it with your family, friends, or enemies on your social networks.